of the revisions is this twist lock plug. Our old ones just had a 3-prong, basically looked like this here hanging out of the bottom of the box. What we did for 2016 is we created this twist lock plug, and then there's a spot right underneath here, so you can basically just push it up and twist it into place, and it locks right in there. On this 68, we've created this bar that slips right into this pocket here, so you can slide it in, slide it out. It just sits on a bit of an angle, so it'll stay in there, but it allows you to thread your cable in here and hold it away from the machine. On the 68, the sides are open, so material will flow out through the side. We did that on purpose because we wanted material to be able to sit around the screener, so to hold it in place while you were screening and taking material out. Anyways, we have these vulcanized extension cords. They're 10-gauge wire that we've created for the SLG 68, 78s, and the 108s. We sell them at a great price. Again, it's got the twist lock on one end, and it's got the 3-prong on the other to go into a standard cord. I think these here were great. They'll get you 25 feet away from the machine, and then you can run it with an extension cord from there. So you just basically throw it out. It'll keep you away. It keeps it up out of the dirt, out of the material. What I wanted to show you, we'll come around the back side here, and I'll show you what we were talking about previously with the legs. Because this is a 1,200-pound machine, it's quite easy to pick up, push around, and move around. So what we've done is we've created a 2-inch hole cut out of 3/8 plate, and it's welded to the back of this arm. Allows you to take an 18-inch stake, drive it in with a sledgehammer. We've put a chain grab hook on it, so you can actually use your machine to pull it back out when you want to move it. Again, here is our sloping leg design that we have here. You pull this pin out, and you can keep standing it up to a steeper slope. This here is the deck in a 45-degree position. This is usually the most common position when you're doing most of your screening. Again, you still have that cantilever screen deck positioning here that allows you to manipulate it as you're screening. This is at 45. This here is at about 30, and then there's a third position with the legs all the way collapsed that allows the deck to be very, very flat. In most cases, you would not use it here because you still have that 10 degrees of deflection with the cantilevered suspension. But we have had guys that are cleaning up shot ranges, gun ranges, where they're trying to get the lead out, and it allows guys to be on the other side there, sorting through and pulling out the lead fracture and the rocks and raking it off. This is also great for guys that are doing artifacts when they're digging in the dirt trying to get artifacts out. This makes it a very gentle slope so that they're able to vibrate out the soil and the fines and then have the artifacts going off the front side. Again, the 45-degree and this 30-degree would be the most common positions when you're using this screener. This position here would be more if you were just wanting to screen like beach sand and that kind of material. Anyways, very, very simple machine. It's easy to ship. We can ship this machine FedEx. You just pick it up, set it in the trailer. FedEx box delivery brings it right to your door. So very economical. You can ship it anywhere all over the United States very easily through FedEx. $29.95.